Before the internet, selling a home required one expert and a single expensive approach. Times have changed, and today there are many options. Should you go it alone and sell by owner? Should you hire a traditional high-commission agent? Would a hybrid solution with the best of both serve you well? At Don Anthony Realty, we work with you to sell your home while saving you serious money. In addition to putting your home on the agent's multiple listing service, we've embraced the internet revolution, providing superior advertising on popular websites to sell your home quickly while keeping your costs low so more money stays in your pocket. How can we charge so little while you save so much? Simple. Instead of selling a few homes and making a lot of money on each sale, we charge very little and sell a lot of homes. Our low fee gives our sellers more wiggle room during negotiations, helping you reach an agreement with a buyer and sell your home. With so many homes sold, our expert negotiators can skillfully represent your best interests. Simply put, this isn't our first rodeo. Don't spend thousands on a traditional agent or waste time trying to sell by owner. Get your home sold at a fraction of the cost by the experts you can trust at Don Anthony Realty. Many things are complicated. Selling your home shouldn't be. Contact us today.